So we are talking about tourism product. So today we will talk about the features of tourism product. What are the main features of tourism product? We are talking about tourism product. So what are the main features of tourism product? Yes, some features we have earlier talked about. There are many features of tourism products. It's a different kind of product. So one feature is it is intangible. Can you see the board? Intangible. What does intangibility means? We have discussed about it in earlier. What is intangibility? What is tangibility and intangibility? Yes.
So intangibility is an abstract factor that we cannot touch.
Intangibility means there are two types of products, tangible and intangible. Tangible products are those products in to which we can feel, we can touch. That is tangibility. And if we cannot touch, only feel, then it is intangible product. Tourism is an intangible product. Although we have talked about that all products are tangible and intangible both. Okay, there is certain level of tangibility in intangible products, and there are certain type of intangibility in tangible products. Like, what is the tangible aspect of tourism product? When you go on a tour, what is a tangible thing you carry about? Yes. What is a tangible thing? You take away souvenirs, you take away photographs. That is a tangible aspect of tourism product. What is the main takeaway of tourism product? From what you take back from a tour? Yes. What is the highlight? Yes. Yes, Fazia. What is it? What you take away from tour? You spend money, you spend your time. So what is the takeaway? Yes. What you carry back home from a tour?
So memories and
Yes,
souvenirs.
memories and experiences. Very good. Memories and experiences we take back from our tours. Those memories, those and sometimes we take away souvenirs from our tour. So we in this way we that is an intangible aspect, memories and experiences. But we try to increase the tangibility of the tourism product by buying souvenirs, by taking some gift for friends and relatives, taking some photographs, taking some merchandise, taking some items exclusive to that location. So we try to increase the tangibility of the product. Second character is mainly it is psychological. Tourism product is psychological product. It is a psychological project. Means it is in psych. we feel it, we experience it, we we are happy after using that product. It is psychological, it is about experiences, it is about satisfaction. What is being happy about? What is being happy?
Self-satisfaction.
Self satisfaction. When you are satisfied, then you are happy. We talked about earlier that we go on tour for different reasons. To move away from our daily grind, to explore, to see new cultures, for new food, for foodies. Okay. So it is psychological project. So it is intangible and psychological. And one more characteristic of the tourism product, it is highly perishable. Highly perishable. It is highly perishable. What does perishability mean? Yes. What does perishability mean? What is perishability? What is perishable goods? Yes, Kaleem.
Which can decay in very short period of time.
Yes.
So which can decay in very short period of time.
Which can decay very shortly, which can go away very shortly, which can spoil very shortly. So, in the tour, what happens? If you don't use the product, it is gone. The experiences are gone. If you don't use, it is not there to stay. It doesn't have a shelf life. Okay. See, there are two things. It is highly perishable and it stays. It doesn't go away. It's not perishable in the practical term, in the usual term. It is perishable that the demand is gone away. If you don't use the beauty, if you don't see the beauty, if you don't come to that place, no use. But it is there to stay. If you come after a month or an year or years, then it is there. Then it's not perished. It is there. So it is highly perishable and highly stable also. It's a very unique product. So tourism product is intangible, tourism product is psychological, tourism product is highly perishable, and it is composite in nature. What is composite? Yes. What is composite product? Yes. What is composite product? Yes. What is composite product?
So these are the items which are made by combining several other items.
Yes. Tourism product is a bundle of different things. It is beauty, it is culture, it is experiences, it is climate. These things together make a tourism product. It is not one thing. It is composite in nature. There are many elements to it. Hospitality, hotel experience, climate, good climate, experiences, culture experience. So it is a composite project. There are definitely many elements to it. What are the elements? Any more element can you tell? Yes. Yes, ahead. Yes. Any other element? Yes. Yes, ahead. Yes, Sheikh Zahoor. Can you tell us about any other element in tourism product which I have spelled out other than that? Yes. Yes, Intizar. Any other element of tourism product?
सर अभी रिमाइंड नहीं कर पा रहा
Yes. Yes,
सर
Intizar.
अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है सर
याद नहीं आ रहा. Okay. Yes, Adiba.
ये सर आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था?
There are many tourism product is composite in nature. There are many elements to it. So, what are other elements? In your opinion, what are other elements to tourism product besides culture, scenic beauty, climate, hospitality? Any other? Yes. Any other product?
Sir,
Experience.
Experiences, yes, and memories. We have talked about it earlier. So there are many different elements to tourism. It is composite, and it is heterogeneous as well. The tourism product is heterogeneous as well. There are different types of elements in it. Culture is a very different element. Experience is a very different thing on a different plane. Food or cuisines is a very different thing.
Sir, entertainment factors are there.
Entertainment sector. You know, there is a different type
Sir,
of
transport services.
transport services. Yes, there is a different type of tourism product these days. These days, there are two new types of tourism emerged. One is film-induced tourism, and one is revenge tourism. Have you heard about it? Revenge tourism. What does revenge tourism mean? These days, this term is used widely. Revenge tourism. What is revenge tourism? What is revenge tourism? Yes. The revenge tourism is categorized as, look, there was lockdown in every part of the world. People were closed, people were forced to stay indoors, forced to stay in their homes. When the lockdown was opened, people thronged to the tourist destinations. If you go to Nainital, Mussoorie, Kashmir these days, there is a crowd. There is a crowd larger than normal. There are more people usually they are found. There are many people. They are thronging the tourist destination. Why? Can you tell me? Yes. Yes, Yusra. Why people are thronging to this? This is called revenge tourism these days. They are taking revenge when because they were forced to stay indoors. Yes, yes, Adil. Yes, Adil.
सर क्योंकि वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए थे घर पे रह सर क्योंकि वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए थे
वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गए थे, वो फोर्स थे घर में रहने को, तो वो अब जल्दी जल्दी घूम लेना चाहते हैं. Is it the reason or any other reason? Yes, Adiba.
So they feel bored at their homes.
They were bored and they were against their will. They were forced to stay indoor. And one very popular tourism recently is film-induced tourism. What is this film-induced tourism? Film-induced tourism. What is this film-induced tourism? Yes.
So in our country, cinema and theatre creates a great impact on people. So people are fantasized about the places on which or at which the films are being created or
Yes,
filmed.
and yes, the films are being created, and if some place is filmed, like Switzerland or Kashmir or any other special place was filmed in movie, then you intend to go there. You are tempted to go there. That is film-induced tourism. People go to Edinburgh to see the house of the author who written Harry Potter. Or people go to Switzerland after seeing it in film, its beauty in film. People go to some castle which was shown in some movie. People, there was a movie, lot of small things. So, if I remember the name correctly, a lot of rings. The tourism increased by 30-40% in New Zealand because of that movie. If you go to London, there is a store at King's Cross station, and they have made the platform 9 and 3/4, which was shown in Harry Potter movie. So people go to see a place when after seeing it in movie, of seeing some mystery in movie. So people go to that place. So there are two types of special tourism, and a character of tourism product is it is risky. If you develop a tourism product, that is risky. A risk is involved. An element of chance is always present in the consumption. When you decide to go on a tour to a particular place, you may change your decision by chance, and you may take that decision by chance, isn't it? Or you can think it from a different perspective. Suppose you are going to Mussoorie, Nainital to experience the snowfall, a good climate. You are going for snowfall, you are choosing a good time. It snows normally at that time, but when you go, it is all sunshine. So that is a risk involved. You might not get the snowfall, or perhaps you go to a hilly place and suddenly it rains. So your whole experience is, what does to your whole experience? your whole experience is ruined. So there is a chance always involved in tourism product. When if you are designing the tourism product, then a chance is there that it will not be as good as you thought. So it is risky, but it is marketable. It is highly marketable. Marketable means, what does I mean by marketable? Yes. What does marketable mean? Yes. What does marketable mean? Which can be marketed, which can be sold, by which product you can publicize. So tourism products are highly publishable, highly marketable. You can market it, you can pull people by describing the beauty of Kashmir, or by describing, you must have seen many advertisements about many places of India. So, what we discuss, tourism product is risky, tourism product is heterogeneous, tourism product is intangible, tourism product is psychological, tourism product is composite in nature, tourism product is highly marketable. These are the main salient features of